Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about and showing y'all the custom bike mount that I built. I got this idea off of the MaverickTruckClub.com. Someone came up with a brilliant idea, at least I think so. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So here is the bike rack that I made over the weekend. I had to buy two 2x4s, 8 feet long, which worked out perfectly. Cut those down to fit the little inserts right here. And then I bought these J-clamps off of Amazon for like 15 bucks. These just connect to the D-rings right here to keep this thing sturdy. The most expensive part of this build has to be these racks right here. These are from 1UP USA. I think these go for about 70 to 80 bucks each. So it's pretty neat because you got these little levers right here that you can pull, or can't do it with one hand, but just come up. But yeah, and I also have these straps that I bought from Amazon as well. 10 bucks for like a pack of 20, I think. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and show y'all how this setup works. Alright, so I got my 29-inch bike right here, and we're going to go ahead and load it up onto the truck now. And so as you can see, the bike fits perfectly, even with the tonneau cover up. It fits perfectly good on the back of the truck. Now I've driven this all over town already, no problems. It does go back and forth, but this bike is not going anywhere. And also, what I also do is, just for like a little peace of mind, is I'll take these straps right here and I'll strap it around this, like so. Oh, that's backwards. Oh no. Just go ahead and strap it on. That way it's extra sturdier and the wheel's not going to come off. What I've been doing for the back wheel is take these bungees right here, and then I'll just kind of strap it down to this hole right here, to this little tie down. That way it adds a little bit more support and the back wheel isn't going to go anywhere. Now if you like this bike rack, you know, I'll go ahead and leave all the parts in the description below. Links to the Amazon, to the 1UP store. And also, I believe your name's Aaron. If you're watching this video, man, thank you for coming up with this idea. I'm really happy that you did. And yeah, carry on. Alright guys, well that's it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, please go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, guys.